Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav. So this is my task for the Sparks Foundation for graduate rotational internship program in web development from the October 2021 batch. So my task is about banking system. I have created a dynamic website where transfer of money between multiple user takes place for the user stored in database. So the steps we should follow are first create a database named as bank with two tables. The first table contains the information about the users like ID, username, email, and other details. And the second table contains the history, having the sender, receiver, and the amount information which is being credited. And the next step comes here is we should start inserting the user details for at least 10 customers to like for the checking. So the flow will be like first we should be visit our homepage, then viewing all the customers, select different customers to transfer the money, and then view all the customers, and lastly check for the transaction history. So this is how our banking system so will look like. Now coming on to our website. So this is how the website UI looks like. This is my home page. This is this is my home page, and this is the user interface. Like I've entered 10 customer details in my database, so that will be displayed here. So accordingly I will perform transaction transfer of money between different users. So like the sender name is given, and the receiver I can choose which all I want, and the amount to be credited will be displayed here. The transfer, if I click on transfer, the money will be transferred directly. So this is how so insufficient balance. So I've entered more than the present balance. So now I'll enter. So the payment is successful. Now coming back to my home page. I'm coming back to my home page. So this is my transaction history. Like just now I have from GP I have sent it to GK. The 100 rupees is being transferred. So now the amount balance will be like 800, and it is transferred here. So this will be 2100. So this is how the transaction takes place. And coming on to the about us section, I have given the link for the about us for the Sparks Foundation thing and contact us section. This is all I have done. Thank you.